In this tutorial, we will discuss how to use our LMS portal. First of all, we need to log in. And in any case you have forgotten your account's password and you want to reset the password, you simply have click on the lost password button. Then add your email address into any of the input fields and hit search. If you supplied a correct username or unique email address, then an email should have been sent to you. It contains easy instructions to confirm this password change, but if you continue to have difficulty, please contact the site administrator. Now moving back to our LMS portal. We must use our username and the password. Then we will reach our dashboard. There we can see the courses that we are enrolled in. Under Courses in Progress tab, click on the respective course. Then you can see the activities of the course. You will notice some of the activities are restricted. You will need to complete the previous activity in order to unlock the next activity. For example, here you need to complete Activity 1.1 in order to unlock Activity 1.3. So let's unlock the Activity 1.3. You need to read and then attempt the quiz thoroughly. You must click on the check button after attempting the quiz to submit. Now let's go back and see if our Activity 1.3 is unlocked. Here you can see it is unlocked. Thank you for your time.